we created in the Recovery Act a new, innovative, flexible tool called homeless prevention and rapid rehousing. And this new initiative has already helped us, with our local partners, prevent or end homelessness for more than 875,000 people around the country. And what's remarkable about this is the way it's changed our approach to homelessness. Just as you heard Earl Devaney talk about preventing fraud, well, it turns out it's much more cost-effective and better for the people we help to prevent homelessness before it happens rather than to wait for them to end up in a shelter. And so we've done that with local government. We surveyed recently, 2/3 of mayors around the country said that this program alone had fundamentally changed their approach to homelessness. It's been particularly effective, as you know, Mr. Vice President. Dr. Biden has been very involved with us in our fight to end veterans' homelessness. It's a national tragedy that veterans are 60% more likely than the average American to be homeless. And one of our great tools to do this is something we're doing in very close collaboration with the Department of Veterans Affairs. We call it HUD-VASH, or Veterans Affairs Supportive Housing. It combines our vouchers, Section 8 vouchers, with VA's case management and clinical services. And this partnership, we knew when we came in at the beginning of the Recovery Act, was critical to ending veterans' homelessness. But at the time we started the Recovery Act, only 1,200 veterans around the country were benefiting. And one of the reasons, as we dug into this with VA, we found was that our rules were too rigid. We paid for rent, they paid for case management and other services, but oftentimes what stood between a veteran remaining in a shelter or getting housed was something as simple as a security deposit for an apartment. And because of the flexibility of our tool with our homeless prevention and rapid rehousing program, we were able to help those veterans get into apartments quickly and to end their homelessness. And today I'm happy to report to you that with this work that we've done together, there are nearly 20 times more veterans being housed today through this program, or 21,000 veterans that have homes today, thanks to the work that we've done with VA. And with a population, we just finished our first ever national survey, detailed survey of the number of homeless veterans. That number is under 100,000. And so when you reach 21,000 already, we're well on our way to meeting the President's goal of ending veterans' homelessness in 5 years.